So welcome back to iGuess YouTube channel, and this is my new project which is named HyPermission. This project will basically help you to get HyperOS unlock permission, basically bootloader unlock permission in any HyperOS ROM, no matter HyperOS 1, 2 or 3. It only requires to clone the repo and edit some things in the file, for example bot token and your user ID. So as you can see, I have cloned the repo and now let's generate a bot. I will link the username of this botfather bot in the description and you can use it to create your own bot. After the bot token is generated, copy it and paste it in the py file. Now use your user info bot to get your user ID and paste it in the same py file as well. Now you just have to save it and run. It will ask for your username and password as well as two-factor authentication if it's turned on. Note that this info will be saved and you will get permission in this account only. Once the login is done, it will get saved in the local directory. You can copy paste commands from the readme file, so the script auto runs when your PC reboots and it will get the permission for sure. And if your script is not running, I will give you a fix in the description, you can try that. And as you can see in this screenshot, I have got the permission within 48 hours. So basically my script auto applies for the permission and it will apply at the correct time, so you will get the permission. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.